Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter in a Mark II Ford Focus using, as the example, this 1.6 litre petrol from 2005. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, this is a quick, easy job, and all we need is a few basic tools. Specifically, we need a 7mm socket, a T25 Torx bit, a ratchet with a long extension bar, and finally a cloth. The cloth doesn't have to be blue though, that's optional. Now, it's easy to find the engine air filter in this car. It's on the left side of the engine bay inside this black box, so we need to get the lid off the box, and to do that we have to first withdraw this hose, and this hose is held in place by this silver Jubilee clip that we can loosen by undoing that nut with the 7mm socket. Now we don't need to completely remove this Jubilee clip, just loosen it off a little. That should be enough. See, that's loose now. And now the hose just wiggles off. There we are. Next, we need to remove 6 bolts that hold this lid in place. Bolt number 1 is down there. Number 2 is there. And if we have a look at the side, we can see 3 and 4. Now number 5 is all the way down there, and it's easier to get to if we first remove this cover that protects the battery, and that just lifts off like so. And now if we peer down that gap, where's it gone? We can see bolt number 5, and finally bolt number 6 is all the way down there. And to remove these bolts, we need the T25 Torx bit. So all 6 bolts are now out, but as we can see, they don't all match. This one, for example, is different to that one there. So what I've done is I've laid them out in a pattern which is reminiscent of their positions in the car, so that each bolt can go back into the precise hole it came out of and should therefore fit without any drama. And also there's no chance of losing these bolts because they're in this rather splendid magnetic parts tray. Look, I'll show you. Good, eh? Anyway, now we can remove the lid for the black box, and it just lifts off like so with a little bit of wiggling. And now of course we can just lift out the old air filter like so. So how do we know what type of new filter to purchase? Well, it's easy enough. The make and model is written on the old one. Now in this car's case, which as I said earlier is a 1.6 petrol from 2005, the old filter is a Marley LX1572, so we need one of these or an equivalent. And now your Focus may need exactly the same type of air filter, but I wouldn't make that assumption. It's always worth double checking. Now we need to clean out the airbox because there are quite a few leaves in there, and that of course is where the blue cloth comes in handy. There we go. Clean, clean, clean. What's that? Oh, there we go. Right. A little hoover, if you have one, would make this easier. But we'll make do with the cloth today. Okay, good. And now, of course, to install the new filter, it's just a case of reverse the process I've already shown you. So insert the new filter, like so, and now pop the lid back into situ. just like that. And now we need to do up the 6 bolts that hold the lid in place, and we need to do that before replacing this hose, because if we put this on first, we won't be able to get to one of the bolt holes. All 6 bolts are now in place, so we can reinstall the air hose, just like so, and tighten the Jubilee clip with the 7mm socket. Actually, before doing up that Jubilee clip, just make sure that this arrow here lines up with that arrow there. And also, we don't want that little gap, because that suggests the hose isn't properly in place. So we'll give that a shove. And that's closed the gap. The arrows are lined up. So in we come with a ratchet. And there we go. And now the final thing is to put the lid back on the battery. Job done. So there you go. That's how to change the engine air filter in a Mark II Ford Focus. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. I need to wash my hands. Bye-bye.